In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert colors in Affinity Designer. Whether you're exploring a striking negative look, checking value contrast, or creating quick mock-ups, inverting colors is a fast, non-destructive way to transform your artwork. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what each one does, and share helpful context so you know why this method works and how to control its effect. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer and loading the document you want to work on. You can use an existing design, a photo, or even a blank document with a few shapes for testing. If your file is large or layered, don't worry. This approach is non-destructive, so nothing gets permanently altered and you can adjust or remove the effect at any time. Next, look to the top of the interface and click Pixel. This switches you into the Pixel persona, which is designed for raster-based edits and gives you access to adjustments that affect how colors are rendered on the canvas. Think of personas as different workbenches inside the same studio. The pixel persona is where tonal and color adjustments live and behave as live layers, which is exactly what we want for an invert effect. Now, add a new adjustment layer. You can do this from the Layers panel by choosing the Adjustment option. An adjustment layer sits above your existing artwork and changes how the layers beneath it are displayed, without baking those changes into the pixels. This is key for flexible editing because you can toggle it on and off, reorder it, or constrain it to specific elements later. From the list of adjustments, click Invert. The effect is immediate. Every color beneath the adjustment is flipped to its opposite on the color wheel. Whites become black, blacks become white, and hues are inverted accordingly. There are no sliders to tweak here because invert is a binary transformation, on or off. If you only want the effect on one object or group, you can control its scope by dragging the adjustment layer directly above that item or clipping it to the layer so it only affects that specific element. If the overall result feels too intense, try lowering the opacity of the adjustment layer or changing its blend mode for a more nuanced look. You can also rename the layer to stay organized and toggle its visibility to compare before and after. And that's it. You opened your file, switched to Pixel, created a new adjustment layer, and applied Invert, clean, reversible, and just a few clicks.